So as you can see, guys, I am starting preparing the wheels to paint, and the wheel was heavily damaged. And look what I found.
And this is the front wheel.
So as you can see, guys, the entire rim is bent here. So I will go to the tire shop. They will take off the tire and I will drive with this rim to straighten it. And now I have to also unscrew the rear rim. So guys, as you can see, I received the wheel. While I was doing few things off the camera, because you know the drill. In the short, I was cleaning the wheels, wax and grease. I sand them and I add filling primer. And now I am correcting the small imperfections. So I am using 180, 240, 320. I will add a wet on wet primer and I will be painting those rims. So as you can see, here are those imperfections to correct. Now I will record a time lapse from sanding, and the next step I will show you the painting process. So guys, now I will mask the bearings and we will meet in the chamber, and after 5 minutes those wheels are ready for black base. So see you in the spray booth. Now it is time to paint the clear coat, so time to do this. So as you can see, guys, in front of me there is two motorcycle wheels. The wheels are painted. They are looking very nice. I was using this method first time for paint them. This method is a little bit hard because you have to be patient and you have to watch every place, you know, in this wheel, on those wheels, and you have to paint, you know, every corner, every spoke. So, but here is the final result. I think the wheels are looking very nice. As always, they are not perfect, but in my opinion, 90% of the job is done perfect.